$10.99. We're still $10.99 today. This is our last day. And I've just really picked some beautiful fabrics that I hope you love. This first one is it's a 2-layer lace. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, but mainly woven, and I see it as a jacket. It'd be a beautiful, simple, basic black jacket. It's actually got 2 layers. There's a netting that's fused to the lace itself. So it just makes a really beautiful, I'm just worried you can't see it, but just beautiful, like for 1950, just a simple little jacket. A vest would be really pretty. Both sides are okay if they're seen. One side you see the lace and the other side you see the netting. So it's a cotton poly, it's a woven, it's just a beautiful fabric and very pricey. Everything today is $10.99, but you can look at the fabric and tell it's expensive. This is a scuba, a lightweight scuba. Love the pattern on this, a little cobblestone. Be great in a sheath dress, a tunic, just all kinds of fun tops would be really fun for the holidays. And to blend them together, I put in a charcoal gray sweatshirt. This is a really pretty, this is mostly cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it. Again, $10.99 is a steal for this fabric. It's just lovely. It's soft. It's really pretty. And then because monochromatics are so popular right now, I wanted to do a little look where you could really create a monochromatic outfit. Both sides of this are usable. This is a wool poly. Again, these are $10.99. Beautiful piece of fabric. It's a woven. You can see it just doesn't have a lot of wrinkle to it at all, so it'd be great for slacks, cape, little sheath, whatever, and pair it with this. This is a cotton poly. This is a wool poly, this is a cotton poly, but again, you can see just no wrinkling at all, so it just really is a great resilient for base. And then I put this rust in because it's kind of a winter cotton. It's 100% cotton, but it's almost like got 2 layers in there. It's really beautiful, 100% cotton rust, but those pull in so nicely, and even with the black, they just have a really nice blend to them. So all $10.99 today. Today's the last day of our leathers and these fabrics, and the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.